Hey everyone, welcome back to Gear and Gadget Garage. Today I'm going to show you the right way to use an adjustable wrench. A lot of people make simple mistakes that can damage their tools or worse, the fasteners that they're working on. So stick around and let's get into it. Okay, a little bit about the crescent wrench or the adjustable wrench is the parts that make it work. So you have your handle, then you have the hole at the bottom. That hole, you can use it to hang, like if you have pegboard, then you can hang it on your pegboard or whatever other kind of hanger you have. Or if you're working at height, let's say you're on top of a ladder and you're trying to get to a bolt somewhere and you're worried about this thing falling and hurting somebody, or it's now no longer going to be near you, you can add a tether or a leash to it and either tie it to your ladder or to your work belt. But that's pretty much what that's for. You have your fixed jaw that handles most of the force and torque. Then you have your adjustable jaw, and it moves back and forth with the use of the knurl or the thumb screw. And so that's you tighten it or loosen it. Okay. To use it, so first, whenever you go to use it, move some of this stuff out of the way. You want to make sure that the fixed jaw is snug on the fastener. So put it right there. That's going to be snug. Don't leave a gap, okay? By leaving a gap, you can either slip off of what you're working on, or you can round the corners of your fastener. So always position the fixed jaw against the side that you're going to be turning toward. So in this case, it's going to be righty-tighty. And so I'm going to put it that way. And that way the force is applied to the solid side of the wrench, not the moving jaw. Okay, that could, if you flip it the other way around and you want to do righty-tighty, then now all the force is going to be here, which could mess up your mechanism and basically break your wrench. Okay, so let's put that back. So when you turn, keep the wrench pulled towards you rather than pushing away whenever possible. Sometimes you have to. Pulling gives you more control and it reduces the risk of injury if the wrench slips. If you need more torque, say you need it's pretty tight, you can't get it to loosen, grab a bigger one. They make even bigger ones than this. So you can definitely find a bigger crescent wrench. If you don't have one, don't add a pipe to get extra leverage, okay? There are other things that you can use instead. You can get a breaker bar with a socket. There's other ways that you can loosen this up, an impact wrench or impact gun, but don't try to go beyond what your tool is made to handle. Okay. So same thing, don't use a crescent wrench on a high torque job. That's what box end or socket wrenches are for. And don't use it backwards, okay? And just like what I was telling you earlier, if I wanted to tighten this, don't use it backwards, okay? You'll wear it out fast, all right? So I'm just gonna demonstrate how to use it. So righty-tighty, I have my fixed jaw here, right? So all the pressure is coming towards me. And so I want it there. So righty-tighty, and just make sure you have your hand on it, okay? Sometimes, like what you saw me doing in the video, sometimes I just make sure that that's there so that it doesn't slip off, okay? So now, if I wanted to loosen it, loosen up my wrench, and then force to loosen it is going this way. So lefty-loosey. So now, tighten it all the way. It's all the way in, there's no gap. And again, I'm gonna pull it towards me to loosen it. So that's it. That's all you do. So just remember, the fixed jaw needs to be in the direction that you are turning, okay? And that's how you use a crescent wrench or an adjustable wrench. Okay, so when you're done with it, if you had a really nasty job and you need to clean it, you can use some WD-40, all right, to clean it out. It also lubricates it. If it, just oil it every once in a while as well. Any kind of oil, just, not a lot. Wipe it all off when you're done. If you have one that is stuck and you need some help cleaning it, I have a video for that as well, so please check that out. These things will last forever if you take care of them. Just like this big one right here. This is close to 50 years old. It was passed down from my uncle. And it works just fine. So you just maintain it, keep it clean, don't abuse it, and it'll last you for a long time. Okay, so that's how you use an adjustable wrench. If this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tool tips, and check out my other videos on wrenching and garage hacks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help out. See you all next time in the Gear and Gadget Garage.